Ephesians 6 verse 11, put on the full armor of God, so that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes. 2 Corinthians 10 verse 4, the weapons we fight with are not the weapons of the world. On the contrary, they have divine power to demolish strongholds. James 4 verse 7, submit yourselves, then, to God. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you. 1 Peter 5 verses 8 to 9, be alert and of sober mind. Your enemy the devil prowls around like a roaring lion looking for someone to devour. Resist him, standing firm in the faith. Romans 8 verse 37, no, in all these things we are more than conquerors through him who loved us. Isaiah 54 verse 17, no weapon forged against you will prevail, and you will refute every tongue that accuses you. Psalm 144 verse 1, praise be to the Lord my rock, who trains my hands for war, my fingers for battle. 1 John 4 verse 4, you, dear children, are from God and have overcome them, because the one who is in you is greater than the one who is in the world. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7, for the Spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love and self-discipline. Deuteronomy 31 verse 6, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.